Most people know, or I would actually say most people assume that just because everything, and I mean information, everything about everything is already free online, then there's no point in creating an information product or figuring out a problem and then creating a solution for it and then selling it as a digital product here online. So right now I'm selling a digital information product. I'm doing a product launch. That's where you typically lower the price and then you have other people out there, which are called affiliates, help you sell the product. I'm doing it over at Warrior Plus. Yesterday I made $300 selling essentially what is a PDF. There are some videos in the members area as well, but over the last 7 days, I made more than $100 a day. Now, this is a very specific marketplace called Warrior Plus, and you can see the types of offers here, and you can see the sales, and you can see the average dollar amount per sales, and it's a simple math problem, just looking at how many were sold, and then the average sale amount to figure out really how much money is being made on this marketplace, way more than what I'm making, but it really boils down to thinking about how you can actually help people. And not just selling to sell and not just selling to make money, but thinking about something that you can create. And the focus really being on trying to help people. That's what information product is. So an information product is you sharing your expertise or following what I call the learn, do, teach model or the LDT model, where you learn something. Or if you already know something, you learn more about it and then you do it. Or if you've already done it, you think about the way that you did it, and then you develop a system, a strategy, or you create a roadmap, you create a step-by-step plan, and then you teach it. That's essentially what you're doing when you're creating information products that solve a problem, where you are showing someone how to solve that problem step by step by step. There are other types of information products, but I want to be clear that I'm talking about here actually finding a problem out there and then saying, you know what? I knew something about this. I learned more about it. I did it. I thought about the way that I did it. And now that I'm teaching you, I'm breaking it down step by step the way I actually did that. At this point, you're saying to yourself, Gary, everything is free. I can just Google it and I can find the answer. But if that's the case, then why am I making this YouTube video as well as selling that PDF, that information product right now, and making $300 yesterday? And why does MIT here since 2001, MIT OpenCourseWare has been creating new opportunities for millions of learners and educators, sharing open educational resources from MIT and helping to lead a global revolution in free access to knowledge. This is basically everything and anything that you wanted to learn. You could learn it from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology for free since 2001. Harvard has the exact same thing. They have a lot, if not all of their courses up here for free. Now, you don't earn a degree because you have to pay them for that right to get a degree from them, but you can learn the information for free. But Udemy. Udemy has these courses here, and guess what? They are not free. Accelerate your growth for you or your organization. Personal plan, team plans, enterprise plans. Look at this starting at $20 a month, $30 a month. Don't even sleep on the fact that books, like the bookshelf behind me, books, best books of 2024 so far. Look at the different categories of books still being created and sold. Best business and leadership books, all these books still being sold, still being created. Physical books, digital books, you can read on your Kindle. Best cookbooks, food, and wine books of 2024 so far. And as we head into 2025, they're going to have the exact same thing. Information is not dead. It will never die. And yes, while information is free, people buy information because of the way it's organized. People buy information because of the way that you put it together and you market it from an angle. And this specifically speaks to why I have this channel, is to remind you that you need a really good strategy so you can focus on the things that you need to do, which is why I developed the Affiliating Profitable Online Business 9-Step Roadmap for building a profitable information business and saying, look, all I need to do is follow this proven strategy of traffic to an offer and then add people to an email list and then follow up with them and even automate it with certain types of tools and the technology that's out there that I show here on the channel, but also focus on the idea and the concept Or the big focus for me is breaking everything down into a simple model, a simple strategy, tactics, and techniques that I use to make money online, and then showing you also and demystifying the aspect of marketing, that is getting the word out, spreading the word, letting people know that you have a solution for their problem, and the model that I'm selling right now that you can get and simply download and read. And there are some videos as well to enhance the experience. There's a link in the description to grab the LDT model to do exactly what I do and to do exactly what all those other big influencers out there that are raking in the cash, if you will, who are out there doing exactly what I'm doing and possibly doing what you would like to do. Or if you think that you would like to create an information product from something that you already know, or something that you want to learn more about, something that you want to do, and then something that you would say, hey, you know what? I really enjoyed this. I think I could teach this and make some money and also help some folks. Link in the description. Check it out. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.